Hello guys, today we will see how we can pick up largest and smallest number in a list. And logical point of view, this program is very important. So here we will create a list first. For that I am taking list name L, and you can add few elements in the list. So I am adding some elements here. So this is the list, and then I am taking the output statement here. You can write here particular message like largest, and then here I am taking a function. In that function you have to pass that list name, and this is what the calling function, and then I have to call this function here at the beginning. You have to pass the list variable L. I have to assume max element equals to the first element of the list. So for that you have to write here L of 0, means the first element in the list is the max element, or you can say it's the largest element. And then here we have to take here for loop for I in list, means that I variable take one element of the list, and here you have to specify the condition. If I is greater than, suppose max, means I is greater than the first value, then here you have to write max equal to, means we will assume that largest element will be I. Okay, and then I have to return, then I have to come outside the for loop, and I have to write here return max. This will be my statement, and it will then, after returning value, we are printing this value through the output statement. So first upon we will check whether our code is working or not. So you can see the largest value is 12, and here the 12 is the largest value, and if I change this symbol, then we will get the output for the smallest value. So I just run this, and this is what the smallest value. So as usual I do it for the largest value. So this is what the largest value. Now here I explain step by step. So at the beginning we are assuming the first element is the largest element, but the first value, so here the first value will be what? 12. So 12 is greater than 12, condition is false. Then it will take the next value of I. So the next value is 10. 10 is greater than 12, again it is false. So all the condition will become false here. So here suppose I do some changes in the value. I take, for your understanding, different value here, and that value is suppose 16. So in that case the output will be 16. And here in the first value, as it is 12, condition is false, so it will take second value. 16 is greater than 12, so max is 16, and rest of the values, for rest of the value condition is false, so it will return that value 16. So once again we verify the output, and you can observe 16 is the output. So how it is working exactly, for that we will see here we will do the testing with some output statement. So here I am writing the output statement for showing the value of I. So by using this statement I am showing you the value of I, and here I am taking one more statement for you, and here I am writing max, and I am showing you the value of max. So because of that output statement you can understand how this code is running exactly. So you can observe I value is initially 12 if you take a look on the list, and this 12 value that we are printing here, and because I will take the value one by one, and here the condition will false because 12 is greater than 12 because the first value will be 12. Then here initially the max value will be I, because initially this statement is not executed because 12 is greater than 12. Then for the next value is here 16. So 16 is greater than 12, condition is true, so max is 16, and here we are getting the result 16. Then for other value I is 795, so condition is false, so last output is 16. So in this way your code will work here. And I hope you understood this coding, and this program is for largest and smallest value. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.